Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Chiliz. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this very huge and massive falling wedge pattern that is formed here on the 7 day time frame chart. And I would also like to show you a very long-term trade signal that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. And that is a very big and long-term harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that Chiliz has formed on the monthly time frame chart. You can see I shared this signal on 2nd of June 2022 with my members. This is a quite long-term trade signal because it is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And here we had a very long-term support of 7 cents. Therefore, I was telling my members that I'm not expecting that the price and may break it down. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that still, let me just show you on the daily time frame chart, then you can see that still this 7 cents is breaking at a very strong support. Few days ago, even few months ago here, uh, from the month of June 2024 up till the month of October 2024, we broke it down for a few days, but now the pricing is again recovered back. So still, it is breaking at a very strong support and resistance line. Here, it was breaking at a support, and after the breakdown, it fall flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here, and now after the breakout, it is again flipped into a support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support of 7 cents has been working as a first time it was breaking at a resistance here in the month of Feb 2021 when we had this very massive rally. Then almost for 1 or 2 weeks, the price got rejected by this resistance, and therefore now it is breaking as a very strong support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you this recent breakout from a down channel that was happening here on the 4 hour time frame chart that I was showing in my previous video. Then I was telling you that this recent swing low point before the breakout can now again work as a support. That is at 740. But if we take a look at the bigger time frame on the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we have the formation of another descending triangle here. If I place another trend line here, then you can see that we have found a down trend line resistance here. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and this support of 740. In fact, this can be a complete support zone from 740 to 7. That is breaking as a support of this descending triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move as well. And now I will more emphasize on this descending triangle rather than the small down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Chiliz that I shared on 21st of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal. That move that Chiliz completed on a 4 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone. And so far it has pumped almost 104%. Now, let me show you this long-term trade signal that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. That is a very long-term trade signal because it is formed on a monthly time frame chart. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and is still moving inside this potential reversal zone. And the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish candle move start from 49 cents and goes to 78.74 cents. Now let me take you to the live chart. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that after the breakdown from this up channel, the price and has formed this descending triangle. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And here we have a complete support zone from 740 to 7 cents. And now the movement is also getting squeezed inside this descending triangle. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break this pattern. For example, if the price then breaks down the support, then technical target to the downside will be here. I'll let me replace it here. Then it can be very close to the next long-term support of 5 cents. That will be approximately at 5.21 cents. But if the price then breaks out the resistance, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then target will be approximately at 11.5 cents. And if the price then reaches there, then we can also break out this long-term resistance of 10 cents. That is breaking as a resistance for a stable day. And here it was also breaking as a resistance. And it can also break out the bigger resistance of a bigger falling wedge pattern as well. If we take a look at the previous history of this 10 cents resistance, by the way, then we can see that this 10 cents has been previously breaking at a very strong resistance support here, and resistance here, almost resistance here. And now again, it is breaking at the resistance. And if the price and once again reaches here, then again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Chiliz. And after the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 90 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.